How to fix F1 2021 FPS drops on Windows PC. 1. Install the latest game patch. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Set the power plan of your PC for high performance. 4. Optimize in-game graphics settings. 4.1 Go to game options settings graphics options video mode. Make these changes there. Display mode, full screen. DSYNC, off. Note, if you're experiencing screen tearing or similar issues, you need to enable DSYNC by setting it to on. Frame rate limit, off. Anti-aliasing, off. HDR, off. 4.2 Go to game options settings graphics options advanced setup, lighting quality, low. Post-process, low. Shadows, low. Smoke shadow, off. Advanced smoke shadows, off. Particles, off. Crowd, low. Mirrors, low. Ambient occlusion, off. Screen space reflections, off. Texture streaming, ultra low. Vehicle reflections, ultra low. Weather effects, low. Ground cover, low. Skid marks, off. Skid marks blending, off. SSRT shadows, off. 5. Modify graphics card settings. 5.1. For NVIDIA users, 5.1.1 add F1 2021 into the program settings under Manage 3D settings. 5.1.2 Modify specify the settings for this program, image sharpening, off. Threaded optimization, on. Power management, prefer maximum performance. Low latency mode, off. Vertical sync, off. Texture filtering, quality, performance. 5.2. For AMD users, go to gaming global settings in AMD Radeon settings. 6. Disable Steam overlays. 7. Disable background recording and Xbox game bar.